Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your blue sky handle. Make sure to stick around till the very end to fully understand the process and customize your handle to make it uniquely yours. So let's get started. First, open the Blue Sky app on your mobile device and log into your account if you have not already. Next, on your home page, click on three horizontal lines in the top left corner, and from the menu that appear, click on Settings, and this is where you can manage your account details. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled as Change Your Handle, and once you're here, enter your new desired handle and make sure it's unique and fits within the guidelines set by Blue Sky. And once you have entered your new handle, look for the Save button located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to confirm your changes. And that's it. You have successfully changed your Blue Sky handle. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.